It's my birthday, and Alan's here, and we're celebrating all of our birthdays kind of today. And we'll probably celebrate all of them the next time. We're gonna have a Wii first time. It's super easy to plug in. And they love it.
When's it gonna be my turn? When's it gonna be my turn?
I think it's after. Oh, let me show you. Okay.
Jake's helping Chuck. Go, 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 go! Oh, we can't see it. It's going slow. Oh, close, Chuck. Good try. Good try. Okay, Jeff's turn.
No, the game's not finished.
Oh, okay.
Let go, Chuck. I said let go. There goes Chuck.
Gutter ball.
Gutter ball. Ah! Better look next time.
Okay, hey Jake, you take the controller and you do it for the rest of the game.
Okay.
Jake's turn. Here, just take that up. Don't drop it, please.
Alright, hey.
What?
Kudos for figuring out what to watch.
Yes.
Yeah, you did pretty good. For your age.
You did do good for his age. Jake's turn.
We can clean all this up, all those wires up and put it behind, put that beside it.
Wait till you see how I've accessorized it for our birthdays.
Let go.
That's easy to remember, huh? Whoa, good job, Jake. You're good.
7.
7.
Oh. What? Oh.
Gutter ball. That's your first one.
No, my second.
Oh, it's your second one.
Oh.
Okay, don't get nervous. Just forget about the camera.
Hang on. Can you imagine if
Okay, you gotta knock the rest of them out.
My turn, yay.
I know. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Up.
Okay, one more. Awesome.
Left. 7.
That's good. Go for stairs. Awesome. Yay! All right, go for a strike.